I'm not even gonna pretend to set up the camera so you can watch me leave the house just for me to come back and pick up the camera and leave the house again. No.
Oh, I hate when future me make plans.
What do you cook?
I got nothing to cook right now. I got no gas. I'm short of everything. You get what I'm saying? I just wanna hear. Long. D'abord, je vais send you the gun.
Sauce.
Alaye cashing out is sure. Just believe on G, because BTC is sure. Alaye cashing out is sure. The money must too long. You go tear the Benz, my G. And Jesus cover me. Jesus cover you. Your profile no go blank, my G. And Jesus cover me. Jesus cover you. Your profile no go blank, my G. Put call Elon Musk. Wires are me. Loader, I'm active. Jesus cover me. And my get the with me. Loader, I'm active. Come on for there, make you find grace. The Lord G make it cut so for you. Come on for there, make you find grace. The Lord G make it cut so for you. Celebo is active. Alaye cashing out is sure. Just believe on G, because BTC is sure. Celebo is active. Alaye cashing out is sure. The money must too long. You go tear the Benz, my G. Celebo is active. And Jesus cover me. Jesus cover you. profile no go blank, my G. Jesus cover me, Jesus cover you. Your profile no go blank, my G.
I send the Kuba. You know what? Welcome to God for the Mama Council.
Jesus cover, Jesus cover. Your profile no go blank, my G.
Hello there. I woke up at 3 and I did my morning steps. It was just like walking around the house. Don't ask me any footage of that because I look ridiculous doing it. I just wake up and I just do step back and forth in my apartment. And I got to my step goal. Reason why I'm dreading this morning is because I
hate when future me makes plans and present me can't go or doesn't want to go.
But I said this year I will not cancel any plans unless absolutely necessary. So I still have to go. Lots of things to do today. Ooh, my Amazon package got delivered. Hey, something to live for today. I'm not suicidal. Anyways, first, let me go feed my sourdough. Yes, I'm a sourdough girl now. So this is my sourdough. It's kind of dark. That does not make it better at all. But this is what it looks like. And I have to like feed it every single morning. There we go. That's better. Wow, it smells absolutely horrible. This is the flour I use.
I never stop you in the back, you know. Girl, I'ma always catch your back. Getting into this for whatever, girl, no turning back, no. My baby, girl, no turning back.
I'm done dressing up. I should have left by now, but here we are. I have to figure out what bag I'm taking, if I'm taking any at all. So tired. I haven't even gone yet.
Just for whatever, girl, no turning back, no. My baby, girl, no turning back. Let me do to you what you like.
No one else to blame for this behavior than me. That's it for now. I'm not even gonna pretend to set up the camera so you can watch me leave the house, just for me to come back and pick up the camera and leave the house again. No, I don't like you that much.
What do you cook?
I got nothing to cook right now. I got no gas. I'm short of everything.
Yay!